Sparkies, my name is Trishaa and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm beyond excited to talk about Plum. It is India's first 100% vegan beauty brand. They have taken beauty world by storm with their incredible range of skincare, body care, hair care and makeup products. And guess what? Plum is celebrating its 9th birthday. So happy birthday Plum, and I cannot wait to share all the goodness they have to offer you. Get ready to celebrate because Plum is on cloud 9 with the massive sale happening right now from 30th June to 6th of July. Head over to Plum's 9th birthday bash on plumgoodness.com and shop all your favorite essential up to the 50% off on discount. Trust me, this is the one birthday party that you don't want to miss. I couldn't be more thrilled to share the exclusive PR hamper that I received from Plum. The first thing I received is their Nature Studio Kajal. This is a must for me. If you are shopping from Plum, you have to buy this one. This is a gel-based, waterproof and smudge-proof kajal. I love how dark it is, and you can use this kajal as a liner as well. And Plum is spreading love by giving away at least 9 plums with every order of 2000 and above. Isn't that amazing? Second one, I got this 5% niacinamide with rice water and amino acid complex face serum. I love how this suits every skin type, and the best part, this is a beginner friendly product enriched with rice water and nourishing blends of 8 amino acid. It helps to clear blemishes and improve skin texture. It has very lightweight and quick absorbing formula, and you can use this product to your AM and PM routine as well. Last but definitely not the least, because I'm gonna stock up all my favorite products I have received, is their coconut milk and peptide shampoo. I love how this smells like heaven. It has a goodness of coconut milk which enhances the natural shine of hair, as it has blends of fatty acid and vitamin C, E, B1, B5 and B6. Peptide add volume to your hair and lock the moisture of hair. From skin care to body care to hair care to makeup, Plum has everything for everyone. So don't waste a second, make your way to celebrate Plum's 9th birthday bash and get your hands on all your favorite products. But wait a second, I have something special just for you. You can use my code HBDPLUM to get an additional 10% off. So what are you waiting? Let's party with Plum.